So aloe vera gel contains proteolytic enzyme which repairs dead skin cells on your scalp. It contains vitamin A, B, C and E, and it also promotes hair growth. It reduces itchiness and reduces dandruff. It leaves your hair conditioned and soft. Who doesn't want all this goodness on their hair? I do. People, it's KINKDIVA again. Welcome to KINKDIVA. I am Precious Rainbow, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use aloe vera gel on your hair. And also there's going to be a link above this video or beneath it showing you how to extract this gel from the aloe vera plant. Okay, so as you can see, I have combed my hair out. My hair, have detangled my hair. My hair is ready for deep conditioning using aloe vera gel. When you take your aloe vera this way, you can see the top is smooth. It's very smooth. Okay, so after sectioning your hair, you just rub against the roots. You feel this very chilled feeling, like someone poured you cold water. So at some point, it will seem very dry like this. What you want to do is press it this way to expose the juice inside. Okay? You can continue applying to your hair. Do you understand? So. Oh my god, the coils are so defined. Wow, so much sleep. This one, the sleep is too much, but it's a good thing. Like, can you guys see my hair? My coils are so defined. It is even scary how it's just very slippery and slimy. Oh my god. Okay, so I want to wash this off now, and then you guys will see the finished product. Okay. So now I'm going to be going in with my jojoba oil from Life Natural. So what I did was to rinse off the aloe vera from my hair. I didn't use any shampoo or anything. My hair was already previously washed before I used the aloe vera. So I'm just going to use a generous amount of this oil on my hair and tie it in place. I'm going to go over to this side and repeat the same process, and voila, we're good to go. My hair feels so soft, you guys. Oh my god. I haven't had my hair this soft in a long time. And the consistency is very slim. It's not very thick. So that's one reason why I like it. So this brings us to the end of this video, guys. I'm totally done deep conditioning my hair with aloe vera gel, and my hair feels glorious, like literally glorious. So you guys should not forget to like, subscribe, share, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. If there's anything you want me to try, anything new you want me to try, please comment below. If you have any questions about previous videos, please do comment below. Bye.